Just heading over to return the keys to my Bunker Biker host, Scott. Go ahead and knock on the door here. There we go.
Did it do all right?
Oh yeah, I did great.
One of my pups there.
How you doing?
Shop dog.
Yeah, I was about halfway through the night. The air conditioner turned off, and I woke up this morning and I'm like, man, why is it so cold? And then I looked and I'm like, oh, that's why.
It was on air conditioning instead of heat? Or?
No, I turned the heat on before I went to sleep.
Yeah.
But, I put it in sleep mode, so it may have just had a 60-minute timer or whatever.
Yeah, okay. Did it come back on? Did you turn it back on?
Well, this morning, yeah, just to warm me up, yeah.
Did you take a quick shower with that thing? Or?
Yeah, I tried it out. I mean, I'm a quick shower guy.
Was it good enough?
It was good enough.
Okay, good. All right. So you're headed...
Heading to Liberty, South Carolina. Yeah, I had to go say goodbye to Scott, my Bunker Biker host. Great guy, runs his own shop here, custom bikes. I think he's mostly retired. Let's see what we have in store for us today. Aloha peoples. About to get out here on the road again. Today heading towards Liberty, South Carolina. And tomorrow will be the Tail of the Dragon. It is definitely cold outside today. Let's see what my computer says here. 52 right now. That's better than when I woke up. When I woke up, it was only in the 40s. Yeah, we're going through the Smoky Mountains. Well, we're in that area, I should say. And man, there is a lot of history here. Revolutionary War battles are going to be where I'm heading to today, Liberty City. Apparently there's a lot of Revolutionary War battles. So I'm looking forward to checking out some of those sites, if anything, along the way. I don't have to be where I'm going until about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So we got plenty of time. It gives us at least 6 hours. And it's only, I think, a 2-hour drive there. I am bundled up. Probably not enough. I put on my winter gloves, which are still wet from the rain. Thankfully, they're mostly dry. So, yeah, I'm going to have to stop probably to warm up these gloves a bit. Like, these gloves just like to hold on to water for as long as they possibly can. I only got on one pair of socks right now, so I'm hoping my feet stay warm. If I have to double up, I have to double up, but I'll do that later if anything. Right now, it's not too bad. And around noon, it's supposed to be getting up almost into the 60s, I believe, so not a bad day at all. Anyway, let's go. I am in... well, I'm on Broad Street. I didn't actually check the name of the town I was in. Clinton, that's it. I'm in Clinton, and so I'm enjoying this very quaint village, almost. taking some back roads. I just got done getting gas. I didn't bother recording, and I had a kind of a breakfast or whatever, I guess you could say. Yeah, I needed to warm up. Like, it was seriously cold. So I was like, yeah, no, I need to warm up. So I went inside the gas station, just hung out there for, gosh, almost half an hour, I think. Well, at least 15, 20 minutes. Because, yeah, I was, like, I couldn't feel my fingers. I added my extra gloves to these gloves now, and I did not put on a sweater, so I'm still pretty light for the main body, but my main body's doing all right. I got my thermals on in my pants, and I got my toes well, they're cold, but I wasn't about to put the hot warmers in there because I don't want them boiling, you know. So I've been on some farm roads for a bit now, and it has been a blast. I now am finding a little bit of a twisty road now. And these are just slower, comfortable roads. The wind is still strong. You know, we're only at mid-50s. But man alive, this is feeling great. I just feel a little bit extra happy getting to enjoy some of these back roads, because it's not much, but it's more than enough, you know? I'm enjoying it. I'm relaxing. I get some roller coasters. Just gotta enjoy. I mean, look at these rolling hills all over. Ah, man. Stitch, you better hang on, buddy. We're gonna have some fun. 30 miles an hour. You know, I'm going a little bit fast, but I don't have to. And I like that. I like just this calm, relaxing ride. You know, and you can see these gorgeous houses with all this land. And they're probably about as expensive as the apartment back home. Oh. And you don't have to think. Oh, and I get 31 miles of this. 31 miles of this wonderful. Look at those trees. Look at the valleys and the gorges. Look at this. This is spectacular. I'm sure if you deal with this every day, you're gonna get tired of it. But damn, it's just, you're just going. You're just enjoying it. That's all there is to it. And I love it. You see all these gorgeous houses, and they're like how they're built, or at least their entryways and stuff. You got these nice overhanging trees. Half of them are green, half of them are trying to get there. It's like, I'm at the tail end between winter and spring right now. And like, I can feel it. Like, but you can see, look at that. You got green on top with those orange colors in the trees. Like, can I say anything? Can I really say anything? I'm just gonna let this play out for a bit. Here I am coming into Fountain Inn. beautiful Fountain Inn. I guess we're heading towards the sport complex. I could go towards downtown, but yeah, I'm okay. Let's just enjoy the feeling of it for now. I'm here in Liberty, South Carolina in Pickens County, and I just made it here to their local library, actually, in their kind of downtown area. It's a great looking area, obviously a smaller town, but I like it. And I'm heading here, check it out, maybe see if I can learn a few things, you know. It's a library after all. And then I'm probably going to do a little bit of driving around the downtown area here before I head off to go meet up with my bunker biker family for the evening. Anyway, Neggy out. Alright. Okay. Made it here to the Liberty Bunker Biker, South Carolina. So far, it's a very great place, lovely home. Just here with Stitch, as you can see. I don't know if you can tell how steep this is, but it is very steep. I could barely park the bike. And this area is a very steep area. Not bad. Very lovely home. But yeah, it takes some getting used to get used to some of these conditions here. Alright, so this right here is the room. Very simple. Got a nice air mattress here. Not much to it. I'm going to enjoy a comfortable night's sleep before I get ready to head to the Tail of the Dragon tomorrow, which she actually showed me a map that has a lot of other trails and so forth, so it's probably going to actually be quite a long trip, about 5-hour drive tomorrow, almost 200 miles, so it won't be at high speeds, that's for sure. But yeah, I'm looking forward to it.